something I would just like to come back to that I forgot to mention on the LFP time claiming. If that is not available in your EMR, you can click here on that little down arrow to get more buttons on your toolbar. So you click on that and then add remove buttons and customize. And under customize, you will find there is a section that calls macro. And under macro, you will find the LFP time claiming code. And that way you can add it to your toolbar if it's not there. I can just quickly go through it again. You click on that down arrow to get the add or remove buttons. And then at the bottom, you're going to customize it. And on customize, you go and look under macros. And if you don't find it in this list of macros, then you will have to contact IntraHealth that they can add it to your clinic. But that way you can add it.